In this video, we can talk about top 5 Aviso alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Co channel. Today, we will be discussing alternatives and competitors to Aviso, a powerful platform that offers sales forecasting and analytic solutions. But if you're looking for other great options to explore, we got you covered. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 alternatives of Aviso, which are Gong, Clari, Chorus AI, People AI, and Boost Up, that can revolutionize your sales process. Let's learn about them and their unique features. First on our list is Gong.io. Gong.io is a game-changing revenue intelligence platform that utilizes AI and machine learning to analyze sales calls and meetings. It offers features like deal execution, strategic initiatives, market insights, and assessment management. It provides insights and analytics to help you understand what works and what doesn't during customer interactions. And one of the standout features of Gong.io is its ability to provide real-time call, coaching, and feedback, allowing your team to optimize their performance and close deals more effectively. Next up, we have Clari. Clari is a comprehensive revenue operations platform that combines AI and automation to provide accurate sales forecasts and actionable insights. It offers features like revenue data automation, revenue forecasting, and data modeling. With Clari, you can gain visibility into your entire sales pipeline and make data-driven decisions. One of the standout features of Clari lies in its intuitive dashboard, which visualizes sales data, giving you a clear understanding of your pipeline's health and empowering you to maximize your revenue potential. Next up, we have Chorus AI. Chorus AI is a conversation intelligence platform that provides valuable coaching recommendations to enhance sales performance. It offers features like real-time enablement, pipeline management, and cross-channel advertising. Chorus AI records and transcribes sales conversations, leveraging AI to analyze them for key moments and trends. One of its standout features is the ability to uncover competitive insights from sales conversations, equipping your team with a competitive edge in the market. Fourth one is People.ai. People.ai is an AI-powered revenue operations platform that automatically captures and analyzes customer touchpoints across various channels. It offers features like lead management, customer segmentation, and integrations. With accurate sales forecasting and historical trend analysis, People.ai helps you make informed decisions. One of the standout features of People.ai is its ability to generate real-time, accurate sales forecasts based on data captured from your team's activities. Last but not least, we have Boost Up. Boost Up is a revenue intelligence platform that empowers your sales team. It offers features like forecasting management, data visualization, real-time analytics, and performance metrics. With Boost Up, you can increase your win rates and drive revenue growth like never before. One of the standout features of Boost Up lies in its AI-powered deal scoring, which helps prioritize and focus on the most promising opportunities. When compared to Aviso, Gong.io provides real-time call, coaching, and feedback, helping sales teams improve their pitch and close deals more effectively. Clari is a comprehensive revenue operations platform that comes with an intuitive dashboard to help you gain a holistic view of your sales pipeline. Chorus AI records and transcribes sales conversations, leveraging AI to analyze key moments and trends. People.ai, on the other hand, takes a different approach by being an AI-powered revenue operations platform that captures and analyzes customer touchpoints. Lastly, Boost Up is a revenue intelligence platform that combines sales analytics, deal management, and sales coaching to drive revenue growth. After careful consideration, we would recommend Clari as the best alternative for your business. With its intuitive dashboard, you gain a holistic view of your sales pipeline, enabling data-driven decision-making. Clari goes beyond Aviso by offering advanced forecasting capabilities and a user-friendly interface. It empowers your sales team to optimize performance, identify potential risks, and maximize revenue potential. With Clari, you can take your sales process to the next level and drive business growth. We hope this comparison has provided you with valuable insights into how these alternatives differ from Aviso. Remember to assess your specific business needs and goals when making a decision. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.